Hey guys, it's your girl Kerry, Kerry, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I focus on fashion, lifestyle, and sometimes travel. If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. Now, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a few of my fashion acts. Now, these are things that I try them, not necessarily try, but I do these things every now and then just to spruce up my look or to add some flair to my look. Sometimes I do it without even knowing because I do it so much, and so I wanted to share some of those things with you. And if you have any fashion acts of your own, you can leave them in the comments below. So let me stop with the rambling so I can get into those acts for you. So I have my book with me because the teacher in me won't just let me speak just off a ramp like that. So I am going to be putting my head down every now and then just to take a look in my book, because I've written down the 10 acts I want to share with you. But I've also written some notes just to explain why I do this or how it can enhance your look. So the first look we're going to look at is a belt. Now, I love a good belt. A belt cinches your waist and makes your waist look smaller. It also accentuates your waist and gives you the illusion of an hourglass shape. So why wouldn't we want to wear a belt? You can wear a belt around a dress, your jacket, or even in your jeans pants. It gives you the illusion of a smaller waist, and especially with all this food that we're eating while in quarantine, who don't want the illusion of a smaller waist? So I will pop up on the side, I'm not really sure what side, a video of how I utilize my belt. So since we are on belts, my second fashion act is using an elastic band or a bobby pin to stick the extra belt onto the other portion of the belt. So you will see in the video as I will be showing, because sometimes you buy a longer belt than needed and the extra belt, it's like flapping and it's all over the place. So you can use an elastic band or a bobby pin to just stick that extra belt onto the other portion of the belt. Yeah. Okay, act number 3, cuffing the leg of your pants foot. Now, cuffing the leg of your pants foot will break up the flow of the pants, and it will also expose more of your shoes, plus it adds a chic vibe to your look. So this is something that you can try so that you can just elevate your look just a bit. It might not seem like much, but trust me, try it and you will see your outfit go from 0 to about 10. Fashion act number 4, clothing tape. Now, I love clothing tapes, but in this act, I'm showing you how I use the clothing tape to keep my thigh-high boots to stay on my leg. Because sometimes it tends to want to run down, but if you use clothing tape on your skin, and so between your skin and the boots, it will stop the boots from sliding down. And as you can see in the video, I have the tape on one of the leg and not on the other, and you can see that the one without the tape, it is kind of slipping down off my leg. So clothing tape will help to keep your thigh-high boots on your leg. Yes, it will. Clothing act or fashion act number 5, crisscrossing your oversized shirt to tuck it into your pants. Now sometimes we want to tuck our shirts in and it's kind of hard, but if you crisscross your shirt, it will allow you to easily tuck your shirt in, and it will also not make your shirt look so big and bulky. In this video, this linen shirt is actually my husband's shirt and it's a large, but I wanted to show you that if you crisscross the shirt, it will take off so much off of it and won't make the shirt look as big as it really is, and it also helps you to tuck it into your pants. Yes. Fashion act number 6, putting an ear tie or an elastic band around the foot of your pants, a wide leg pants per se, to give it like a jogger look or a frill at the end. I remember the first time I tried this, I had these pants, these same pants in the video, and when I put them on, they appeared like really short, and I didn't like that because I wanted them to hit the floor a little bit more. So I was like, let me put my elastic band around the foot and see how it will look, and it turned out really well. I loved it, so I'm sharing it with you. I hope that you try it and I hope that you like it. I know that you can tuck under the pants so that if you don't want a frill look, but it will give you like a jogger vibe instead of a frill vibe. You can go with any vibe you choose. And now we're at act number 7. So you know, you always see people with their jacket sleeves and they pull them up, and you're wondering how they get them to stay. Now for me, I get my jacket or my blazer sleeves to stay up because I use an elastic band around the sleeves, and then I conceal it, meaning I add the elastic band and then pull it up, and it will stay forever. You can go to your events, go wherever you want to go, and it will stay in place. You can also put this on a long sleeve shirt as well and do the same thing, but instead of pulling it up, you can fold it under and just pull it up on your arm, and it will stay there. Trust me, try it. Try it and let me know in the comments below. Fashion act number 8. So I don't know for most of you, but for me, I wear makeup, and most of the times I put my makeup on before I put my clothes on. But if I'm putting on an outfit that I have to put on over my head, sometimes, a lot of times, my makeup get caught on the clothes and it messes up my outfit. So what I used to do, I used to get like a t-shirt that I know that I won't get mad if it mess up, and I put it over my face and then put my clothes on over and then remove it. But the other day I found what is called a protector hood on Amazon. I will leave a link below if I can find it still. And I would put it over my face and then put my outfit on, and voila, no more makeup on my clothes. Yes, I put you on, okay? And we're almost there. Fashion act number 9. Now, if you're like me and you love to wear a v-neck, whether it is short or a longer v-neck and it exposes some part of your breast or cleavage, as we would say, but you don't want it to be falling off or someone can see through and see your breast because it is not stuck onto your body. What I do, I use my clothing tape, and because it has tape on, it's a two-sided tape, I put it just at the crease of my top and stick it onto my body, so if I bend over, it will not be exposing my breasts. Clothing tape is a good fashion staple to have in your closet, okay? Get you some. And just like that, we've come to the last act. Now the last act is another way I use to tuck my shirt in, just to make it not look messy but neat. I would gather my shirt in the front and I will use an ear tie or elastic band to tie it in a ponytail form. I would tuck it in the front and then button and zip my pants and use a belt to help me to conceal it. I can also pull it up just to give me a better ease or a more relaxed vibe, but that will prevent my shirt from looking all bundled up and messy. And just like that, we have come to the end of another video. So in this video, I shared with you 10 fashion acts that I use to spruce up my looks or to make my looks better. If you have any other suggestions, don't forget to put them in the comment section below. Also, please remember to share with me videos that you would like me to bring to you guys, and I'll be sure to work on those. Again, please continue to be safe. Take care of your families. I will catch you in another video, but before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. I will catch you in another video. Mwah.